Alright guys, welcome back to another detailing video. As you guys can see, I just woke up, my hair's a mess, and I'm over here waiting for my friend to come pick me up. We're about to go detail 3 semi-trucks and a pickup truck over here in Franklin, about 30 minutes from here. So we'll see how this goes. It's chilly outside, so I'm gonna make sure I go prepared. That way I'm not getting sick after. So stay tuned and let me know what you guys think about what we did today. This video is not in order of how we detailed the semi trucks, but I didn't really have a chance to record everything, so I'm just showing you guys a little bit of the stuff that we do. Right now I have my friend Juan. He sprayed some APC on the floors, and he's using a drill brush to clean the floors, and trust me, it does an amazing job. A drill brush, APC, and a little bit of patience can do a lot. This to the right is the end result after APC and drill brush, and it looks great. Now this seat right here, the passenger seat was very bad. It had a lot of stains. So right here I'm just extracting lightly. I'm not really spraying a lot into the seat, but I am working it in quite a bit. But I'm gonna show you guys a picture of how it used to look before any type of extraction was done. Now for the upper part of the seat, we do the same thing. APC, drill brush, agitate with the drill brush lightly, and move on to the extraction with the little green bezel. Now keep in mind guys that it was like 45 degrees outside, so I didn't want to overspray the seats with product, so because it was going to take forever to dry, so I was kind of careful, like I said, not to put too much water into the seat. The seat turned out a lot better than it was. I was pretty happy with the result. I mean, for using just a little green bezel. Every time I do a semi truck, I always end up vacuuming like 3 times. That's just me. It's not necessary, but that's just me. And this is the end result on the Kenworth semi truck. Shout out to my friend Juan for helping me out, knocking out 3 semi trucks and the pickup. It was a pretty long day, a cold day, but the clients were happy, and obviously that makes me feel good about my job and my details. I finally made it home. It was a long day, it was a cold day. I'm glad we got those 3 semi trucks done and the pickup truck. Once again, shout out to my friend Juan for helping me out. I asked him if he could help me because I didn't have any help. He said sure, and sure enough, he came. We got all those details taken care of. We were actually done before I was expecting to be done, so that was a good thing. My hands were freezing. It was cold out there. It was windy, but I'm glad I think the client was happy with the results. For video purposes, I didn't get to record everything that I would like to show you guys, like the wipe down and all that good stuff, in depth detailing. But if I was to do that, I wasn't gonna get the job done in time, so I had to do the important thing, which is the detail itself. I skipped a lot of stuff on video, but not on the actual detail. I just couldn't get it on video. But once again, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, share. God bless all you guys, and I'm ready to get in the shower, man. I stink.